brain health, and dietary factors in enhancing our brain function and optimizing our well-being. Impact of bad sleep on brain health and cognitive function. Let's start by addressing the impact of insufficient sleep on our brain health and cognitive function. When we don't get enough quality sleep, our brain's ability to function optimally is compromised. Lack of sleep can lead to cognitive impairment, memory problems, decreased focus, and even mood disturbances. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to an increased risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. It's clear that sleep is not just a time for our bodies to rest, but it is also a crucial period for our brains to recharge and consolidate memories. Benefits of maintaining a healthy brain through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices. On the flip side, maintaining a healthy brain through proper nutrition and lifestyle choices can profoundly impact our cognitive function and overall well-being. A diet rich in brain-boosting nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can support brain health and improve cognitive performance. Regular exercise, stress management, and mental stimulation are essential to a brain-healthy lifestyle. By nourishing our brains, we can enhance our cognitive abilities, protect against cognitive decline, and promote overall well-being. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. So, please grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the fascinating world of optimizing our brain health for a brighter and healthier future. How to avoid bad sleep. Practical tips to improve sleep quality and avoid common sleep disturbances. Struggling with poor sleep can significantly impact our overall well-being and cognitive function. Fortunately, there are practical strategies we can implement to improve our sleep quality and avoid common sleep disturbances. This section will explore helpful tips to help you achieve a restful night's sleep and wake up refreshed and rejuvenated. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule and bedtime routine. One of the most critical steps in improving sleep quality is establishing a consistent sleep schedule and bedtime routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing deep breathing, signals your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Creating a sleep-friendly environment can also significantly impact your sleep quality. To minimize noise and light exposure in your bedroom, use blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to create a quiet and dark space conducive to sleep. Keep your bedroom cool, comfortable, and free of distractions to promote restful sleep. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine close to bedtime. Stimulants like caffeine can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Opt for decaffeinated or herbal teas to promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. By incorporating these practical tips into your daily routine, you can improve your sleep quality, avoid common sleep disturbances, and set yourself up for a restorative and rejuvenating sleep. Remember, prioritizing your sleep is essential for optimal brain health, cognitive function, and overall well-being.